Are they all dead?
God damn.
Sorry, mate. Oh, hey, good kill, man. You're not shooting, bro. Shoot me in the chest real quick. Shoot at me. Yeah, you're shooting. I guess you just didn't hit me. Sorry, man.
All right.
Not that dude. Sorry, man.
Son of a bitch! Oh.
Are you okay? Do you need help?
I'm good. I'm just tired.
I got you, man.
Oh, fuck. Whoa, whoa. What the fuck?
It's a grenade.
Oh, we dead.
No, we're not. It was in the hallway.
Oh. Where's the grenade cord?
All right. All right, all right, all right. Your other buddy was running. Sorry, dude. I think it counts. Frag! Frag! All right. What do you see down there, bud?
They're all dead.
Really, dude? Not a single one in your hand? All right, cool. On your back, bro. Got you. Really, bro? Oh, good kill, man. Good kill. What's going
Never
on?
mind. Your PSI is like nothing.
Turn it up.
You're
Here,
turning
yeah.
off.
No, it's not.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Whoa, it fell off. Hold on.
What fell off?
The adjustment knob? There we go. You're at like 95 PSI right now. Where do you want to be at?
80.
Okay, you're a little bit high.
A little high? Let's turn it down just a little bit.
Shoot some more. Right there, you're at 80.
Perfect. Thanks, brother.
No problem.
Don't call your hit.
I'm going window. Switching.
Right here, right here.
Your team, your team, your team. That guy's gone. Switching. Where's he at? Where's he at?
They're all in that little building.
Good kill, man.
Hold it! Everybody stop! Hey, watch your firing! Dude, a light bulb doesn't just break. That got shot. That got shot. Probably from a ricochet, no worries. 5, 4, 3, 2, game on!
Oh, they're in the lane behind us. They've got us zeroed. Can we push to this building?
Yeah, we're in here.
All right, let's go. Let's go. I've got your right. Oh, hit. Where's he going? What? Go?
Go, 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 go!
Dude, it's white on your team.
What the fuck is doing?
We're on your team.
I'm yellow.
No, it's white and yellow against green.
Is it?
Yeah.
Listen to the rules, dude.
Come here. Have him.
I heard yellow against everybody.
Mario told me.
No, that was last game.
Changed it then.
That's not what's happening.
We're gonna fucking wreck him then.
Yeah, that's.
What's the point of that?
I'm just walking. I'm not even trying. I'm not.
I thought it was yellow against everybody.
No.
No, this time it's yellow and green, or yellow and white against green.
What?
Yeah.
Oh.
So
I didn't know that.
that's why I was
Who
just.
told me it was yellow against everybody.
Fred did? Just
Huh?
now or before?
The ref told me when we were
The
out
last
there.
game was yellow against everyone?
No, I know, but right before I went in, he said it was yellow against everybody.
Oh, well, he just said to us white and yellow like a second ago.
We will not inform that.
Yeah, I don't know. He
It
thinks.
seems like we're getting along pretty well. Nah, Kevin, it was just you. I'm gonna call you out on this one. Look, that's a yellow dude.
I didn't.
Yeah.
It's hard to see yellow and white through this.
Oh,
I didn't know you're on our team.
No, don't worry. I don't. There's no hard feelings.
What the fuck?
I've
Why
done
are we over
worse.
here?
I've done worse.
Not aware.
How
of
many
the
people
white.
do you have on yellow right now, Kevin?
Yeah, there's like 15 guys in yellow, right?
How many people do you have on yellow?
How many guys?
Yeah, like teammates.
16 or 20.
Shit.
See?
This team's rocking 7.
We only have like 8 people. That's why I switched over.
Ran out of battery.
All right, let's go, guys.
Straighten up.
Whoa.
Execute. Execute.
Hit.